So we have this floating snap that connects the 2 layers here. You just undo that, and then you can have a lovely glittery cape for it. Underneath here we have these 2 ribbons. Keep going and going all the way.
Jeez, that ribbon goes up
Okay,
quite
you can let
high.
go now. We'll just do this under here. All right, that is the 2 French, because it's under just by the ribbon, and that pulls that lining up.
Mm-hmm.
And let go of your lovely cape. Now I just have these pins here just so that I couldn't find it easily for today. These thread eyes here, like so, and they're backed by clear buttons. So if you get lost, you can just lift up the whole thing and find the clear buttons against the clear fabric. This up to a hook and link it on. And then we have one in the middle, so that's in the middle seam. It's right in the middle, and then it's in the middle of the middle, in the middle. Right here. Yep, and it just looks like a piece of thread. Oh, there is a clear button. So worst case, you just find your button, you'll find your thread. And then the same's on this. Also, it's all like stuck together, so you can kind of go like that to find it.
Oh.
And then you can fluff this however you like. Spin around. Lovely. How do you feel?
Beautiful.
Awesome.
Amazing. I got my cowboy boots, so I'll be like that tall. Which is perfect.
Awesome.